As a stay-at-home mom, you must have thought about becoming a freelance writer, but you just don't know how and where to start from. You would love to work on your own terms, do something you enjoy doing, and build a business that supports you and your family. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to become a freelance writer and everything you need to know to build a successful freelance writing career as a beginner. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Eunice from Homy Moms. This is where I teach stay-at-home mom how to achieve financial freedom through writing. Let's get started. Before we go into the main points, let me give you 3 good reasons for you to consider freelance writing. Number one, writing is a skill you already have. As far as you can write, as far as you can pen down something, you have the skill. All you need to do is practice constantly. You can do better in freelance writing. Then the second reason is that it is a business or a career you can do from the comfort of your home. Yes, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Why I ventured into freelance writing is because I needed something to do from the comfort of my home. I need to take care of my children by myself. So I chose this business because it will give me enough time to raise my children by myself and to still help the family financially. The third reason is that there is huge demand for freelance writers. So you can try your hands in this if you are looking for something to do. Don't think it's easy. It's not easy the way it sounds. So you must put effort, you must write consistently to improve. And just prepare your mind that sometimes you get rejected. Oftentimes, as a beginner, people, companies, industries might reject you, but don't give up. Continue trying, you will get better. And I want to address this issue. People likes, they want to start earning immediately they start. No, it doesn't work that way. You don't get paid. You don't start making money immediately. You have to work hard. You have to write consistently before you start making money. Step number one for becoming a freelance writer: make a list of your skills and interest. You have a skill, right? Write it down. Pour your mind on a piece of paper. Write down your skill. If you don't have a skill, don't worry. But you have your work experience. You've worked somewhere. Write it down. You've done something you like doing. In fact, you have so many things in your mind that when you start doing it, it gives you joy. Write it down. What about your educational background? You might be a medical doctor. You might have a legal background. In fact, write those things down. You might love agriculture. Write them down on a piece of paper. Pour your mind on that piece of paper with your educational background, with your experiences, with your skills and the things you like. Write them down, the knowledge you've acquired, or stuffs like that. I'm going to show you in the next step what you're going to do with the things you've written on that list. Step number two, pick a niche. Look at the list you have written, the list that I told you to write in the first point, the list that you've written about your skills, your educational background, your interest, and your experiences. Look at that list. That list is going to form your freelance writing niche. You might ask, what is niche? What is niche? What's she talking about? A niche is your area of specialty. Yes, your clients should be able to know that this person is always writing about animals. Yes, that is your area of specialty, what you enjoy talking about. That does not mean you will not write about something else. Yes, as a beginner, you might write general things. You might have a broader knowledge about so many. You can write so many things. But as you keep on going, as you keep on having experience, you might niche down, narrow it down to something. For instance, now let's take for example, someone wants to hire you. Someone wants to hire you to write for them, and the person is looking for somebody that can write about dinosaur. What would the person do? Will he just pick a generalist, a freelance generalist? No, the person will look for someone that will have in-depth knowledge of dinosaur. So if you go through your website and find out that this person is just talking about make money online, the person will say, "Ah, let me look for someone that has knowledge about animals." So that is why I said picking a niche is very important. That does not mean, remember, that you won't write about other things. No. As time goes on, you can be writing things generally, but as time goes on, you find out that you need a particular area of specialty. People should look at you as a professional when it comes to agriculture. People should look at you as a professional it comes to medicine. They should know that this person is a fashion designer. He loves talking about fashion, and the industry or the company will hire you instead of hiring just any freelance writer that writes a random freelance writer. No, they will look for you because they know that this is his or her area of specialty. That is why picking a niche is very important. Just like I said, a niche is your area of specialty. Just don't worry if you don't have any niche. Like myself, it was difficult for me to pick a niche. Very difficult because there were so many things in my mind. I'm going to show you how to pick a niche. Go to trustpilot.com, then click on category, then many things will pop up. You can just choose a niche from there. Step number 3, spend time researching your niche. Once you've picked your niche, go ahead and research that niche. Make a list of websites, agencies, blogs, social media accounts of everybody within your industry. Get to know them better. Focus on new companies that are just starting, companies that don't have content manager yet, they don't have editor, no content briefs. Focus on those companies. You can go to trustpilot.com to look for all these new companies that are just starting. It will be a very good place to start from. Step number 4, set up a writing portfolio. This could be in form of a website. You can create your website using WordPress. Your portfolio is where you make yourself look professional. It is where you showcase your best work. Creating your portfolio is very important because it makes you look credible and it makes clients choose you over other writers. Many clients will not hire you without seeing your previous work. So this is where you share your interest and your expertise in a given field. Upload your samples frequently. When you write frequently, you get better at writing. Step number 5, reach out to marketing agencies directly. The highest paying clients or customers are those you reach out to directly. And one of the best ways to reach out to them is by sending them personalized cold emails. You don't just send emails once and stop sending, expecting them to contact you. No, you send emails and follow them up because these people receive thousands of emails in a day. So you have to get comfortable with writing letters of introduction and cold pitches to potential clients. You can also guest post. A great way you can look for blogs that will accept guest posts is by typing on Google your niche plus write for us. Let's say your niche falls within health and wellness. So you can type health and wellness plus write for us. You will see different sites that will hire you to write articles for them. Putting your niche makes it easier for you to see sites that will hire you to write for them that falls within your niche. Apart from that, you can sign up for professional writing websites like Contently and Skyward. These are the two I will recommend. Although Upwork is the biggest freelancing site, but it's difficult to get approved these days. So I recommend these two, Contently and Skyward. So you can build your profile and start finding work within your industry. Consider social media as one of the places you can build relationships and get to know your clients. LinkedIn is where most of your customers are. So create a LinkedIn account. On LinkedIn, find a client in your niche. Spend time to look at their websites, their blogs, and know the type of content they are creating. Also note their style of writing. Go to LinkedIn and click on jobs. You might be hired by a particular company. Build relationship with people. That is how you are going to make money. To tell you what works, you must be consistent with your efforts. Plan on how to build a relationship and pitch your clients. Spend time every day on marketing your business. Send cold emails and talk to people on LinkedIn. You can also look at Contently and Skyward for jobs. There are so many things you can do to build your business. If you're not consistent with your action, you will tire out and get frustrated, and you will not achieve your desired results. These are the bases for starting a freelance writing career. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed the video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and like the video. See you next time.